Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use visual intelligence in iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone and you have iOS 26, so let's see how can you use visual intelligence. First of all, you have to open up your settings and you have to check if you have iOS 26. So go for general and here go for about section. And here you can see this iOS version is 26.0. If you don't have, simply go for software update, and from here you have to download the iOS 26 and update your system. Once you have updated, you just have to go for main settings, and from here simply select Apple Intelligence. Select that option and you must have to enable that settings. Once you have enabled, now you have to scroll down your quick center and you will get this new option which is Visual Intelligence. If you don't have the option, you can simply add that. Just tap on the add button in the top left corner of screen, and from here select add a control. For example, if you don't have, I'm going to remove this option, just remove that. Or now I'm going to add this again, just tap on add a control, and from here you have to look for visual intelligence. You can simply search it from here. Simply search for visual intelligence and you will get the options. Simply tap on that and it will be added to your quick center. Once you have added, just tap on that option and it will be enabled. Now you have to tag any photo. For example, I have just taken a photo. Now just tap on this ask option and then tap on continue. It will ask about your photo from ChatGPT or you can search it with Google. So just take a photo and then tap on this ask option or tap on search option. If you want to ask anything about the photos, you have to tap on ask and you can easily chat with ChatGPT. Or if you want to search, just tap on the search option and it will be searching your photo in Google and you will get some results. So in this way, you can easily use visual intelligence in your iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.